This video explains why a large ejector plate was used to drive multiple side slides in an automotive injection mold. The part is an automotive component with high requirements for surface finish and dimensional accuracy. The mold is a 1-1 configuration using a 2-point valve gate hot runner system. Several internal undercuts make conventional slide mechanisms difficult to arrange within a compact mold layout. To solve this problem, a large ejector plate was designed to drive multiple side slides simultaneously. This approach allows a more compact mold layout while simplifying the overall structure. It also reduces mold size, improves maintenance accessibility, and significantly lowers tooling cost. During mold opening, hydraulic cylinders drive the ejector plate forward by about 60 millimeters. 7 side slides move together with the ejector plate to release the undercuts. 6 push blocks supported by nitrogen springs stop after the initial stroke, while the ejector plate continues moving to eject the part. For large molds like this, perimeter support blocks are essential to prevent displacement under high injection pressure. Production stability is engineered, not assumed. Moldevo